God, I feel. God, she wants to ruin. I feel so gorgeous, like guys. Okay, this is not me, but it is me.
I never been a real nigga, cry myself to sleep. Tears running down my cheeks when I'm trying to sleep. Face down on the pill, I'm drowning in my sorrows, yeah. I ball alone, yeah. I ball.
Hey guys, welcome back to her YouTube channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Genevieve, and today we're gonna do a basic look, and we're gonna start off with just setting off our primer onto our model, and we're just gonna spread it right across her face, all over on the eyes. Don't forget guys, everywhere on the face. And we're gonna use that spoolie brush from MAC and a Kylie pencil, eyebrow pencil, to shade or fill in her eyebrows. And we're going to use the Lagirlcosmetics concealer to conceal the brows, of course, and to clean whatever unwanted substance, and to just cut them sharp, honey, because they gotta look mwah. And then we're just gonna go over with the beauty blender like now, and we're just gonna blend and get that product in. Yes honey, you gotta do it. And we're just gonna go over with this yellow concealer or color corrector from LA Girl, and we're just gonna get in there and prime our eyes, yes, so that we can start with the eyeshadow, and so that you can get a better pigment from the Corrector. Yes, so we're gonna use the doozy palette. As you can see, it's about 110 colors, and we're gonna use the signature palette, the mini ones, and we're just gonna grab a little yellow for our inner eye. Inner eye. And we're just gonna brush it lightly. I'm using the Clinique eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna use the orange, dusty kind of orange, I don't know, but that orange right there below, you can use that one from the signature palette. And we're gonna go up with a brighter orange, that one right there, and we're just gonna go over our outer eye towards our crease, and just dabbing a little all over it, just like that. And we're just gonna go over the other eye. As you can see guys, it's amazing. So that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna take Jaclyn Hill palette, where we're gonna use a lot of different shimmers, from the gold color shade to a brownish orange shade. So we're gonna start off with the gold, and we're gonna put it towards the orange eyeshadow, and we're just gonna pat it all over the middle of our eyelid, just like that. And you're just gonna pat it, boom, boom. Yes, honey. yes. And then we're just going to use the brownish shimmer. It's close to like I don't want to say goldish brown, but like it really does go well with the other one. Then we're just gonna go over it, and then we're gonna use this amazing reddish brown color from the Miss Doozy palette, just to go over the shimmer and to blend out our crease just a little bit. And we're just gonna go over that, go over with some more product on your transition color, so that you can have that flow. And once you're done, you can just wipe off whatever excess product you have under your eyes, so that we can start concealing our under eyes. So we're going on with the Lagirlcosmetics concealer, and we're just going to conceal. And yes guys, we're just gonna conceal, put over, whatever you want to call it, under the eyes. Make sure that you put enough, and then we're gonna go over our eyeshadow just a tad on the edges right till the end of the outer eye, and give it more definition by adding a little brown on the cut crease. Not cut crease, oh my god, I keep saying cut crease, but the cut eyelid look shadow, like that. Yes, and we're just gonna put more of that brown shade towards the end of the eye to give it more drama. Yes. And then from there we're just gonna blend. Take whatever beauty blender sponge that you have and blend under the eye so that your concealer can be, you know, popping, honey. Yes, you gotta pop that thing, you know what I'm saying? Oh, cool. So yeah, and then we're gonna take a color corrector, yes, in that orange reddish shade, where we're gonna hide some dark marks. So as you can see, she has a bit of dark marks on her forehead, a bit on her chin, and some on her cheeks. So we're gonna use that to cover up whatever dark marks are there, and just lightly use a bit of the product on your hand, and you can take some from there and then put it on your skin and dab it wherever and blend it out with your skin, and blend it out with the other foundation or any other corrector. Well, I advise you guys to put the corrector first before you put anything. You can put a concealer on top so that you can cover the reddish marks. Then we're gonna go over with our foundation. Oops, my bad. We're gonna go over with our foundation. This is Signature. It is a foundation stick, and I think it's Caramello. Yes, so you can go over with it and just cover up wherever. So you're just gonna put the shade everywhere, put it, dab it. I kind of mix different products, so you can use any other foundation to just, you know, go over. And I advise you guys to use a liquid and a stick. If not a stick, I mean not a stick, sorry, the liquid foundation. So now we're just gonna clean her eyebrows on top so that, you know, they can look chiseled up, honey. Yes, you know, they gotta look straight, they gotta look like, you know, they gotta look like eyebrows that have been fleeked, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're just gonna go over so that we clean those spots, clean them, you see. Yes, honey, that's how it's supposed to look. And we just blend over the product. You see, now she doesn't even have any dark marks, like they've been cleared up. And then we're just gonna go over with more concealer so that we can brighten up her face. And of course we're gonna need the powder, so we're gonna be using the one from Revolution, and we're going to be just powdering every important part of her face. Yes, darling. So under the eyes, on the nose, on the forehead, on the chin, yes, on top of the mouth, above the mouth, yes. And we're just gonna go over with our whole contour powder from LA Girl, and we're just going to define those cheekbones and that jawline. And honey, all the lines that need to be contoured, because hey, we got to have that shebang, you know what I'm saying? So her mouth being like this, she just powdered so that, you know, she can eventually, you know, give off that amazing cut on her jawline and her cheek. Yeah, and then we're just gonna blend it out, and from there we're gonna use a blush from Satin by Keys Beauty. Satin blush, I think. Yeah, sounds so mysterious, like, yes, there's something behind those cheekbones. And then we're going to use that concealer, the darkest one from the palette. I'm not sure, I think this is also a Kiss Beauty palette. All you have to do is, you know, use any dark concealer and line your lip, and use a pink Beauty lipstick, it's matte, and just go over it, and use a creamy concealer and have a clear gloss over it, and there you have it. One amazing summery breezy look. Yes, honeys, it's that easy, it's that simple. She made it look, she made the look good. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much. Ciao.
South African ladies out there, you know. Are you ready now? We'll go the verse 2 right now. Oh yeah, now let's go. Quick, how you did? Show you the chop bank. Me I go like to shaku. Happy you go do zanku. Lale, umaku. Jo, just kelewu. Happy you go dance quick. Oh yeah, jo zanku. Take it, don't touch